Hello. Hi, Michael. Hi, Michael. Don't spill the water all over. Can you say hi? Can anyone say hello to me? Dukes, can you say
Hello.
Hi? Hello, William. How are you?
Good.
Good. Hi, Dukes. How are you? Michael, how are you? Good. That's good. Michael, what words do you know? What can you say? Michael, where's your head? Right. Oh, you're going to spill that. Michael, where's your nose? Nose. That's good. Where are your ears? Yes. Oh, not on my computer. Don't spill the water on my computer. You're going to give Mommy a nervous breakdown. Michael, can you clap your hands? Do you know how to clap your hands? Good job. William, can you clap your hands? Thank you. What else can you do, William? Oh, don't do that. You're silly. You're silly. William, Michael, can you say coffee?
Ragweed.
Can you say ragweed? Can you say ragweed? You want your water? No, you have to come back over here if you want your water.